Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert Evtx file to text. On my computer you can see I have Evtx file. I can double click to open into Evtx viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of Evtx file, and as you can see it has 3000 events with channel, computer time created, name, GUID, and driver name, and some additional data which is coming within every event. I will be converting this Evtx file to text with application. I will download and install from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find application, I click on search and type Evtx, and I need this Evtx. And I need convert to Evtx page. Yeah, not this one. This? No? Okay, Evtx, enter. Then click, and I need Evtx to text. I will click on Evtx to text link and click on download button to start downloading process. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on Evtx, different Evtx converters to CSV, Excel, SQLite. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yep, we're waiting for small archive to be downloaded. In a second. Yeah, sometimes Google can scan archive before releasing it, but it's a good thing that sometimes it does scan. So, and this is why I prefer Google Cloud, because it's checking every file it's releasing to customer on all possible threads. And yeah, sometimes when it's very busy, it's saying, oh, I cannot scan this file, but it's okay. Like normal time, it's scanning files, which is fine. Okay, we have downloaded archive. I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish in final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step we will have to select the Evtx file we would like to convert. I will click on this button, navigate to my Evtx file, and I will take this large one. I can add more files if I want to. They all will be converted to text formats, but for demonstration purposes I will use just one file. And click on next step. Here I can select what exactly I want to convert, and for example, if I want to I want to have just data file in my text file, I can select that, or I can select all fields and everything will be converted. Click on next, and on final conversion I will click run to create a text file. It's asking me for name and location. This name location is okay, and let's go and see file. I'll double click on it, and you can see it has all data converted from Evtx file with all data from events. Or I can add more fields just for fun. Options. Let's select maybe computer and time created. Right. It's asking me for name location of the file. Name location is okay. A new file has been created, and if I open it, you can say it has a computer, it has a time created, and it has a data converted from it, like this. So yeah, basically that's it. We created text file from our events, and if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.